Landscape lighting can transform your Plano home, adding ambiance, highlighting architectural features, and improving safety around walkways and gardens. Whether you're enhancing your front yard or creating a cozy backyard retreat, the right lighting can make all the difference. When it comes to landscape lighting installation, you have two primary options: DIY, do it yourself, or hiring a professional installer. Both approaches come with distinct advantages, but the best choice depends on your budget, skill level, and desired results. Here's a detailed comparison of DIY versus professional landscape lighting installation to help you make an informed decision for your Plano home. Cost considerations. One of the most significant factors homeowners consider when choosing between DIY and professional installation is cost. DIY landscape lighting is often viewed as the more budget-friendly option because you only pay for the materials and tools needed, without the added cost of labor. You can find a variety of lighting kits at home improvement stores, which makes DIY installation a more affordable option if you have a limited budget. However, professional landscape lighting installation involves not just the cost of materials but also the labor. Professional services often come with a higher price tag, but the additional expense brings long-term value in terms of design expertise, quality of materials, and warranty coverage. While the upfront cost may be higher, professional installation ensures that you are getting high-quality, durable materials and a system that is installed correctly. Skill and expertise. DIY landscape lighting installation is an appealing option for homeowners who enjoy hands-on projects and have some experience with basic electrical work. However, if you're not familiar with electrical systems, working with lights, wiring, and transformers can become complicated and time-consuming. Installing landscape lighting involves more than just placing lights in the ground. It requires knowledge of how to run wires underground, how to set up transformers safely, and how to ensure the lighting system functions efficiently. Professional installers bring expertise and experience to the table. They know how to design lighting systems that highlight your home's features and make your outdoor space both functional and beautiful. Professionals also have a deep understanding of electrical codes and safety precautions, ensuring that the installation is both safe and compliant with local regulations. Their knowledge can save you time and stress, especially if the system involves more intricate wiring or if your landscape has specific challenges, such as uneven ground or tight spaces. Design and aesthetic appeal. One of the most significant advantages of hiring a professional is the expertise in design. Professional landscape lighting designers understand how to highlight your home's features, such as architectural elements, trees, and pathways, to create the perfect ambiance. They can help you choose the right type of lighting, e.g., spotlights, uplights, path lights, or accent lights, and ensure that the design enhances both the beauty and functionality of your outdoor space. DIY projects, on the other hand, can be more limiting in terms of design. While you may have a clear vision, you may not know the best ways to achieve the effect you want. There's also the possibility of mistakes in placement or design that could lead to uneven lighting or insufficient coverage. Inexperienced DIY lighting setups might not have the professional look and feel that a skilled designer can provide, even though you'll be saving money in the short run. Time and effort. Installing landscape lighting can be a labor-intensive process, particularly if you're working with a large yard or complex design. A DIY installation involves choosing your lighting fixtures, planning the layout, digging trenches, running wires, and ensuring everything is properly connected. This process can take several days, depending on the complexity of the system. Additionally, if you encounter issues or make mistakes, you'll need to troubleshoot and spend extra time fixing them. In contrast, professional installers can complete the job much more quickly, often finishing the installation in just 1 or 2 days, depending on the scope. They handle all aspects of the project, from design to installation, and take care of any unexpected issues that arise during the process. This means less hassle and disruption for you, allowing you to enjoy your beautiful, fully functional landscape lighting without spending your own time and effort. Long-term reliability and maintenance. One of the key benefits of professional landscape lighting installation is the warranty and ongoing support. When you hire a professional, they often provide warranties on both the materials and the labor, giving you peace of mind in case something goes wrong. If any component of the system malfunctions or requires repair, professional installers are usually available to handle any service or maintenance issues quickly and efficiently. With a DIY setup, you won't have the same level of support if something goes wrong. If your lights burn out, wiring becomes damaged, or a transformer fails, you'll be responsible for troubleshooting and making repairs. Although many DIY lighting systems come with warranties for the lights themselves, the installation and system setup are on you to maintain. Safety and compliance. When installing landscape lighting, safety is a crucial consideration. Improperly installed electrical systems can create serious hazards, such as electrical shock, fire, or system failure. In Plano, and across many areas, local regulations require outdoor electrical systems to meet specific safety standards. A professional installer will ensure that your lighting system adheres to these codes, reducing the risk of accidents and ensuring your system's long-term safety. DIY installations can sometimes fall short of these standards, particularly if you're not well versed in electrical work. Additionally, mistakes in installation may void product warranties or create problems down the line. Conclusion: DIY landscape lighting installation in Plano can be a rewarding and cost-effective option for homeowners who are confident in their skills and have the time to invest in the project. However, if you're looking for a professional design, high-quality materials, expert installation, and long-term reliability, hiring a professional installer is often the best choice. Whether you choose DIY or professional installation, landscape lighting is a powerful way to enhance your Plano home's beauty, security, and functionality, creating an inviting atmosphere for you and your guests to enjoy.